Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another day, another dollar. So guys, for today's video, I'm gonna share to you our trip when we went to the state of Nevada. So last week guys, we stayed a couple of days in the state of Nevada and we went to one of the famous place in Nevada, which is the Hoover Dam. So we stayed there for a couple of hours and we were able to tour the whole place and it was very nice. So guys, yung Hoover Dam is located in between the state of Nevada and Arizona in the Black Canyon in the Colorado River, and it was built in the year of 1931 to 1936. So when they finished the dam, Hoover Dam was the world's largest dam in the world at that time. And then it was named after one of the US President, President Herbert Hoover. And then the dam, the purpose of the dam, guys, is to contain the flow of the water and to provide power, to minimize the risk of flood, to help their irrigation, to provide power to different cities and towns, and to create a recreational area. And one of the recreational area is the Lake Mead. So nakapagpa-picture pa po kami sa with the Lake Mead as our background. That was a nice place too, but sad to say we're not able to get close to the lake. But anyway, it's a 726 feet on the feet tall, and then it is 650 feet thick at the bottom and 45 feet thick on the top, and it has 1,244 feet long. So on this video guys, you will see the actual dam, and then gano'n siya kalaki, gano'n siya kalalim, gano'n din kaganda ang place kasi nga this is one of the tourist place, and it was estimated every year 1 million visitors will visit the place. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and then those information that I share, isa rin yun sa mga pinaka-importante na at least you could learn something from my vlog. And guys, if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and push the notification bell, and also please like and comment in the comment section box. So once again, thanks everyone and keep safe. God bless. Thank you. We're going into the Hoover Dam now. Ito po yung actual dam. Wow.
You gotta sign up. Can't have any. I think those towers there, those might go to the turbines that generate the electricity. I'm not sure, but I think.
The escalator diri. Oh my God! So can you use a car going up? There's a bridge.
That's the interstate bridge. You cross that. That's the interstate that we were coming down. Turned off before we got here.
So this is the visitor center.
Got it where you can't walk, drive by there. Which I'd imagine you probably want to see both sides, right?
Mm-hmm. Here, oh.
Flowers sold as Congress. And the constellation of stars
There's a lot of men that died doing this project.
Oh, yeah. Take me a picture.
wave the figures of the Republic, which were sculpted by Oscar J.W. Preston. This work of art was designed to honor the accomplishments of building genius of America. In the same way that to represent ancient Egypt,
Can I go there and take a
I
picture?
wouldn't step up there. I don't believe it's there. You can walk on.
at first glance, one is usually drawn to the massive plate, proudly displays the American flag, and the the interior. President Franklin D. Roosevelt dedicated the day. On the Toronto
Hoover Dam. It was built in 1931. And
Well, it was construction from
Const-
31 to 35.
yeah, this is the construction.
It was dedicated in
1931,
36.
35. Wow, how nice. Look at the water.
I think all these towers, these are the electric turbines. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it looks like a turbine. Look.
I'm saying it, I don't know for a fact because I don't.
But it looks like a turbine for me. Now let's walk to the other side.
Well, what we can do is just walk down this side and walk back the other side.
Uh-huh.
Here, so
Okay.
for a picture. Southern California, they used to
Come on.
Why would you say Lake Mead is the best Very cool.
Wow, this is a nice one, man. This is I'm gonna take a selfie here.
Used to be, you can see from this side and walk to the other side to see the difference in water level. You can't. The water level used to be a lot higher. at this
So
one
people
time.
are
I guess,
allowed to
yeah,
go
you can
boating?
see- You can see where the white rock is. That's where the water level used to be at one time.
Whoa. So guys, yung nakikita yung white spot on the rock. That is
Yeah,
where
well, this
used
is
to
the
be
this is the
water
channel.
level. Okay.
I mean, if you go around that bend, you could see the lake. Though it opens up. The lake is huge. I told you, I was told one time, they said this dam holds back enough.
Yay! This is a nice tour. Ganda ng tubig, no? We need to cross over to the other side.
Gotta watch both.
Yeah. So,
If you look all the way down there, now you get an idea how deep the water is, even over there. And you got a tunnel in there.
this is where the water will go through. Right?
No,
Oh, what's that?
the water never gets up this
Oh,
high.
okay.
Maybe up to that bottom ledge down there, but I don't. You can't. There's water. Let's if we walk around, you'll see the river. The
Okay.
river still flows.
Mm-hmm.
This is the Colorado River.
Uh-huh.
And they actually channeled the river somewhere else while they were building this. They actually channeled the river to go around this area. There was like tunnels they dug, so that the water flows out of this river. So there was a lot of work to be done even before they started working here. They had to redirect the river. Look how tiny. You see the cars?
Yeah. And there's a tunnel right there.
Yeah, couple.
Guys, kita yung tunnel, right?
And there's a road that goes down along there too. You can see the little bridge down there.
Yeah. That is where we park our car.
Yep. Name of a bridge. Or a desert. That's a different. I can't remember the name of the desert.
Danger of the wall.
As we walk along here, you'll see down farther down the river.
You are too. Then how can you go into our chair? You tried to be brave. You are brave. You don't have to try.
Yeah, guys.
Actually, if you look right down there, dear, can you see the water movement? That's the current. Can you see the current down there?
Yeah. Guys, kita niyo yung current sa tubig. See? Let me try to zoom. There you go. Okay, dito ba tayo? This is the center part of the dam. This is the river itself, right? Right there.
That's the Colorado River.
Yeah, this is the Colorado River, guys.
I wonder how much of a difference there is between that side and this side.
Can you, naka-travel na po ako dun sa bridge na yan with my husband.
I wonder if they had the inside air conditioning for the workers. Because imagine, you're in a desert. Imagine the sun beating down on us all day. It's got what you think, and the giant. Come here, look over the edge. Look over the edge and down.
Guys,
Wow,
this is the edge.
that would leave a few marks if you fell. Actually, you'd just be a red streak going down to the bottom.
Whoa, what's that? Lamborghini?
I can't read the back. I got my glasses on.
Nice car. Hold on.
Inside one of the original diversion tunnels, we're standing on top of a 30-foot diameter penstock pipe. It's colder there, down there, than it is in here right now. You can feel the vibration of the water. It's really, pretend you're there. Pretend you're there. So this is how we explain the whole project of the dam. 4 diversion tunnels. That was our very first step. We had to get the water out of our way so we could build the dam. So these 4 diversion tunnels were blasted out at 56 feet diameter. Then they lined it with 3 feet of concrete. So we ended up with a 50-foot diameter tunnel. And they each ended up being about 3/4 of a mile long. The reason they lined them with the concrete was because they knew they were going to utilize the bottom portion of the diversion tunnels here. So these concrete plugs, those were put in after we were done diverting the water. And just FYI, you're in the wrong spot on this diagram. This plug should be up here and this one should be back here. The yellow portion of these on this diagram means we no longer use that part of the diversion tunnel. After we were done diverting the Colorado River, we closed these off with steel bulkhead gates, and now they're under silt at this point. So you can't even get down to see where they were at. So the outside diversion tunnels were reused for the spillways, which is our flood control. The spillways are 27 feet below the crest of the dam. Believe it or not, I know the water's low today, you're looking at a historic low, but we've used those spillways twice in our history. 1941, they did artificially overfill the lake in order to test out the integrity of the dam and to see if our flood control measures worked. It took 6 years to get to that point. And everything worked great, which was good, because in 1983, we actually used them for real that year. We had the flood conditions, the water from the spillways for about 2 months. And that was our historic high. I lived here for that, and I'm living here for our historic low as well. So that's the diversion tunnels. Inside diversion tunnels are reused for the intake towers, the rear intake towers. When you look out at the lake, you're going to see those 4 intake towers. The 2 rear ones are utilizing those diversion tunnels. Inside each diversion tunnel is a 30-foot diameter penstock pipe. That is now how we get the water out.
There's a lot more stairs than what it is.
Oh my God.
What it is you're walking up 2 stories.
Why we never used the elevator?
Because I like stairs better. Exercise, dude.
Yeah. Oh, this is, we can get inside. This is the exhibit area. Wow, that's a touchscreen view. If you want a closer look to the river, guys, look. My husband enjoyed it. Look at us. Now we're going up to our car. Are you having a good time? A lot of walking. Welcome back. So I hope nag-enjoy talaga kayo on this video, and I still have a lot of videos to be uploaded, so please subscribe, and I hope nakapag din kayo, you have learned something, and please share also my video. That is one of the most important thing. And yung mga paraffle po namin dun sa mga Filipino subscribers ko, ongoing pa rin, so hope na don't forget to comment yung mga Filipino subscribers sa the Philippines. Okay, so comment your name in the comment section, and also please once again share my video. Thanks to everyone, and God bless us all.